Okay, so here we are in room 151. It's an overwater bungalow with a private pool. As soon as you walk in, you have the mini bar. It was pretty pricey, but they did have complimentary water and espresso and teas and coffee with a French press. There's some juices and sodas and beer and wine. And here's the complimentary tea and coffee. There was an AC unit in the room, which was nice because it definitely gets hot and humid. They also gave us some life jackets, and there's a nice big flat screen TV, desk area. There's a lovely view of the ocean from the bed. You have your private little patio area here with some lounge chairs. I also love that they gave us a little bag with beach towels. And then in the other closet here, we have a safe and an ironing board, nice robes, and some slippers, and a hairdryer. Here's the nice big spacious bathroom with a separate shower, the rainfall shower head. And then there's also a separate area for the toilet. And here's the beautiful bathtub with the beautiful view over the ocean. And then there's another door here that takes you right back out to the patio and the pool.